Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell for new videos uploaded.
A culinary journey through history, the best historical foods around the world. Food is a reflection of culture, tradition, and history. The dishes we savor today often carry stories of the past, representing the evolution of societies and their flavors. Here's a look at some of the best historical foods from around the globe that have withstood the test of time. 1. Pasta, Italy. Originating in ancient China and introduced to Italy through trade, pasta has become a staple in Italian cuisine. Dating back to the 13th century, dishes like lasagna and spaghetti have evolved yet maintained their historical roots. 2. Curry, India. Curry, a dish incorporating a variety of spices, has ancient origins rooted in Indian cooking. Its diverse nature allows it to evolve regionally, reflecting local ingredients and cultures, making it a timeless favorite. 3. Sushi, Japan. Sushi has a fascinating history that began with the preservation of fish in fermented rice. Over centuries, it transformed into the fresh, artful presentation we know today, symbolizing Japanese culinary precision. 4. Tacos, Mexico. With origins dating back to the Aztecs, tacos have retained their significance in Mexican culture. Initially simple corn tortillas filled with various ingredients, they have grown into a vibrant, customizable dish enjoyed globally. 5. Breads, various. Bread has ancient roots, dating back thousands of years. Variants like sourdough, pita, and baguette have their own distinct histories, but all share a fundamental role in nourishing people through the ages. 6. Haggis, Scotland. Haggis, a traditional Scottish dish made from sheep's organs, oats, and spices, has historical significance tied to Scottish identity. It showcases the resourcefulness of early Scots in utilizing available ingredients. 7. Falafel, Middle East. Believed to have originated in Egypt, falafel evolved as a popular street food across the Middle East. Made from ground chickpeas or fava beans, this dish illustrates the melding of taste and tradition. These historical foods offer more than sustenance, they provide insight into the cultures that created them. As we enjoy these dishes today, we also appreciate the rich histories and shared human experiences they represent. Embrace the flavors of history, each bite tells a story.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for every time I upload a new video.